Hi, welcome back. Today I'm just doing a quick audio test of the SJ9 Strike. This is in comparison to my SJ4000 with the external microphone on it. So this from 1.5 meters, this is the audio from the SJ4000 with the external mic. And this is the external microphone on the SJ9 Strike at about 1.5 meters. This is the external microphone on the SJ9 Strike on my shirt. I'll talk a bit quieter. I've just come through the workshop because I've realised that there was a bit of a hum from the server on the shelf that the camera was on. So in conclusion, I've listened back to those recordings, and the external microphone on the SJ9 Strike is much louder, much more sensitive than the one I had in the SJ4000. The internal mic is pathetic, to be honest. So what I've done is I've hooked up the external mic. I think it's too loud when it's on your shirt because it's distorting. So I've hooked up the external mic onto my gimbal, just with a bit of flex so that I can still move the gimbal around without the mic getting tangled. So it seems fairly sensitive. I'll need to try it out in the woods. It's a horrible wet day today, so I'm not going to do it today. But there we go. Thanks for watching. Hope this has been helpful for someone. I'll do a wee comparison of the colour and the video quality between the two cameras at some point. I want to do that out in the woods though, because it's just not it's not very scenic in here, is it? Anyway, thanks for watching. Bye.